Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Claude isn't working right now, so without further ado, let's get started. First thing what I suggest to do here is to go to status.claude.com and look if the servers is not down. So if the servers are down, what you need to do here is just wait until the servers will be fully operational. But if the servers fully operational and still you get in this message here, then what I suggest to do here first is to go to your icon here on the bottom left, then press logout, wait for a couple of seconds, and then log into your account as well again. And look if the problem persists after that. If you're still getting the message here, then press on the three dots here, then go to incognito mode. Then you just need to write Claude AI. And then you need to look if you can sign in on incognito and it's working normally or not. And sometimes it can be the cookies and the other sites data that prevent you from doing this. So test it out on incognito mode if it's working for you or not. And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like.